Engineered for the road ahead and equipped for versatility, whether the stylish sedan or the sporty 5-door, the Subaru Impreza is ready for whatever inspires you, wherever you're headed. Make the most of every journey with genuine Subaru accessories, precision engineered and specifically designed for your Impreza. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why they're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Join us now as we take a ride and explore some of the most popular accessories that are available for the Subaru Impreza. Life's journey can sometimes be tough on your vehicle. Help protect your Impreza paint finish from stones and road grime with genuine Subaru splash guards. Our splash guards undergo a series of durability tests to withstand weather conditions and are engineered to reduce wind noise and aerodynamic drag. This accessory comes as a set of 4. Attractive, color-matched, genuine Subaru body side moldings coordinate with the styling of the Impreza and help protect your doors from unsightly dings. As an added layer of protection to your Impreza, custom-fit, color-matched, stainless steel genuine Subaru door edge guards are designed to help protect the door edges from dings and chips and seamlessly blend into the door design. Enjoy the ride. Roll down the windows and let some fresh air in, while you help keep inclement weather out. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are tested and evaluated for water intrusion and designed to complement the appearance of the Impreza door. Keep the interior of the Impreza looking like new with a genuine Subaru cargo tray. The tray helps protect the trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes, while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. For optimal protection, use the cargo tray with the genuine Subaru rear seatback protector. This accessory provides additional protection to the rear seatbacks when lowering the seats to transport larger cargo. Headed to the beach for the day? Or maybe out to the woods for a hike? Keep all your gear neat and organized with the genuine Subaru cargo net. This accessory also prevents gear from sliding while the vehicle is in motion. You can also help keep your cargo where it belongs with the convenience of trunk cargo hooks, designed to help hold shopping bags upright. The hook folds out of the way when not in use. Each kit includes 1 hook. Precision engineered to ensure an exact fit, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners help protect the vehicle carpet from accidental spills and dirt to snow, sand, and mud. Our floor liners withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to not only offer protection, but also help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Subaru loves pets, and we know you love your furry family members too. Keep them safe and comfortable with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Before you fasten your own seatbelt, buckle up your dog for safety. The pet harness, manufactured by SleepyPod, combines a padded vest, seatbelt-grade straps, and stress-tested buckles that work together to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet harness is crash-tested at child safety seat standards and certified by the Center for Pet Safety. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues, the pet ramp allows for easy vehicle entrance and exit and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. Help protect the top surface of the rear bumper when your pets are entering and exiting the vehicle with the rear bumper protector mat. Canine or feline, the pet carrier, mobile pet bed, or collapsible pet kennel are ideal for travel and everyday transport. Add protection to your Impreza from nail scratches, pet hair, and muddy paws with the padded seat protector, console lid protector, or seat cover rear. Wherever the road takes you and your 4-legged friend, bring your pet's food and water with you in one convenient and portable pet travel bowl. And you can show your love of your furry, scaly, or feathered family members with the Pet Lover license plate frame, available in polished stainless steel or matte black. Frames are manufactured from heavy-gauge stainless steel that will not rust or corrode. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories are engineered with the same care and attention to quality, safety, and durability that all genuine Subaru accessories are known for. This very popular upgraded mirror helps protect eyes from unwanted glare and integrates 3 backlit programmable HomeLink buttons to operate home functions such as home lighting and security gates. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink also operates garage doors and can even let you know if left open or closed when programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. The added convenience of the integrated 8-point digital compass can keep you headed in the right direction during any journey. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking your doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Improve visibility inside your Impreza with brighter, wider, and crisper lighting. This genuine Subaru accessory is developed and tested to vigorous Subaru standards for seamless operation, uninterrupted functionality, and to help ensure the safety of your vehicle's electrical infrastructure. A great soundtrack is instrumental in bringing any journey to life. Enhance the audio system to a new level of sound quality so you not only hear the music, you feel it. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade is designed to match the acoustics of the Impreza and includes an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor tuned to align the system to the listener's preference. Cool down or warm up your Impreza before getting in with the remote engine starter. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 400 feet away with the push of a button, so the climate control system has time to make the interior temperature more comfortable upon entry. Add a crossbar set to increase the cargo carrying capabilities of the Impreza. There are a total of 3 to choose from, depending on which Impreza you drive or your preference on style and function: fixed, Aero, or Aero extended. Genuine Subaru crossbar sets support the use of genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Your Subaru Impreza was designed with you in mind and built for your next adventure, whatever direction you choose. With genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule, you can gear up and carry what you need to follow your own path. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increase durability. From the genuine Subaru Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket that offer additional rooftop storage capacity, to bike carriers, either fork-mounted or roof-mounted, to haul your bike for a day on the trails, to carriers specifically designed to transport your gear for adventures on the water or adventures down the mountains. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule allow you to equip your Impreza with all the gear you need as you pursue your passions. Get the extra height you need to access all your rooftop gear with the Thule Portable Step. The step is constructed of heavy-duty steel with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. When not in use, the step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for storage. Thank you for coming along to see just some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available to personalize your Subaru Impreza. From accessories that help add extra protection and increase your comfort level, to lifestyle accessories by Thule, designed to carry your gear for all the miles ahead. Go ahead and get out there with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year, unlimited mileage warranty. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. The Collapsible Pet Kennel is backed by a 2-year warranty through Thule. Visit the warranty section of the Thule website for full details.